In this video, you'll learn how to make between $25 to $600 daily using Binance P2P. This guide will provide you with the necessary steps to analyze, increase your trading volume, and track your performance effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the P2P option in the main menu. Click on it to enter the P2P marketplace. Take a moment to study the high volume pairs available, as well as the different payment methods. Understanding liquidity is crucial because it directly affects the speed of your trades and potential profits. Remember that while high volume claims can be appealing, they do not guarantee success. Practicing effective risk management is essential at this stage as it lays the foundation for your trading strategy. After familiarizing yourself with the P2P marketplace, the next step is to gradually increase your trading volume. Consider reinvesting your profits to expand the size of your trades. It's important to maintain strict pricing discipline to avoid unnecessary losses. Be mindful not to hold on to your funds for too long, as this can limit your trading opportunities. Monitor the completion times of your orders to understand the market dynamics better. Spreading your trades across different time slots can help optimize your performance. Always ensure that you are adhering to the platform's rules to avoid complications. Tracking your performance is the next crucial step in this process. Carefully monitor your daily results to gain insights into your trading effectiveness. Based on market fluctuations, adjust your profit margins as needed. It is also vital to control the risks associated with disputes that may arise during transactions. Regularly withdrawing your profits will help you maintain a healthy cash flow. Focus on achieving consistency in your trading rather than seeking guarantees of profit. Learning from any losses you incur will be beneficial for refining your approach. As you implement these strategies, remain aware of the practical aspects such as file sizes, upload speeds, and your available storage. For instance, larger trades may take longer to process, especially if your internet speed is slow. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient funds to execute your trades without hitting any limits set by the platform. Keeping these considerations in mind will help you navigate the trading environment more effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.